we are featuring two beverages to pair with our new taco dish. The first is our Sake-rita, which is a margarita, a twist on a margarita made with sake. So we pour this Funaguchi sake at the beet. It's light, it's crisp, refreshing, and we feel like it matches perfectly with the flavors of a margarita. So today we will take 1 can, which is 200 milliliters of the sake. We also have our Rita mix that we make in-house, which is a combination of fresh lime juice as well as ginger and a little salt and a little sugar. We take for 1 can of the sake, we take the small end of the sugar. That goes into a shaker with ice. The whole can goes into the shaker, and then we shake. Give it a good couple of shakes there. This drink is served in our margarita glass, can be served with salt or without, so we're just going to rim half of it with salt. Strainer here. And what's so great about this cocktail is that there's always some left over. So we just give a little side so you can refresh your Sakerita at the table. And a wedge of lime. And there you go, a refreshing Sakerita from the beet to pair with our new taco dish. Cheers.